Okay, here's some extra examples. The last video went a little long. I know I talked a little much, but there's still more to talk about. So anyway, some more examples, optional, fast forward, you know the drill. All right, let's start with this one. I'm going to use the books method and not solve it two different ways. I'm going to only solve it one way, okay? So I start off with, look, got 7 times n plus 3. These are two factors, right? When you factor something out, we've been practicing that. Two factors. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and just divide both sides by 7. What that allows me to see here is that negative 4, those cross out, leaves with n plus 3. Well, that's much easier. I just subtract 3 on both sides, and I get negative 7 as my answer. And I can check my work. Say, does negative 28, does that equal 7 times negative 7 plus 3? Does negative 28 equal 7 times negative 4? You say, yes, it does work. All right, let's try another. Once again, I've got this, 12 times this, so I'm going to divide both sides by 12. And I get x minus 20 equals, how many times go in? It goes in negative 4 times. I will tell you that when I first learned this, like I always saw, yeah, the 12 and 12 cancel out, but do I do x divided by the x? No, it's just these two cancel out because they're being multiplied, and that you don't have to worry about anymore. Anyway, here now I'm going to add 20 to both sides. I find out that x is equal to 16, right? Go back and plug it into the original one. So 12 times 16 minus 20, does that equal negative 48? Question mark. Well, 12 times negative 4 sure does equal negative 48. Done. All right, we got another one. Try to throw you off the scent here. T plus 9 times 20 equals 140. Well, these things are being multiplied, so why don't I just divide by 20? I get t plus 9 is equal to, goes in there, let's see, 7 times. All right, so subtract 9 on both sides. I get t equals negative 2. So I think the answer is. Let's see if that's going to work. I'm running out of room, so I'm going to do it over here. I've got negative 2 plus 9 times it by 20. Does that equal 140? Question mark. Let's see, does 7 times 20 equal 140? Check. Yes, it does. So I know you've been waiting for it. You want some fractions. Well, fractions I will give you. All right, so 5/9 times 8 plus c. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this fraction right off the bat. I do that by multiplying by the reciprocal. Okay, so that allows me to cross cancel all this stuff. I'm left with this beautiful 8 plus c. Nice and easy. Over here, cross cancel. That's a 4. That's a 1. Negative 4 times 9 is negative 36. Beautiful. I'm going to then subtract my constant 8 on both sides, and I end up with negative, what is this, 44? Oh, all right. So you say, well, let's find out. 5/9, I'm checking my work, 5/9 times 8 minus 44. Does that equal negative 20? I don't know. So let's see, 5/9. 8 minus 44. Boop, 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 boop. That's negative 36. Okay. Do some cross canceling, make my life a little easier. 5 times a negative 4. Aha! Sorry, didn't mean to yell. Is negative 20. That works out. Let's do one more. I won't even pause the video. Boom, last one. D minus 3. Then I'm going to put the fraction. Oh, tricky, tricky. Like that. Let's see what you get. Well, let's see. There's a fraction. Let me get rid of it. I'll even put it over here. 5 halves. That's what I'm going to multiply both sides by. 5 halves. That cancels that out. I get d minus 3 is equal to, cross cancel, cross cancel. I think I'm doing this right. 15 times 5, that's 50, 75. I think that would make sense, yeah. Then I'm going to add 3 to both sides. Just like that. And I get 78 as an answer. Seems reasonable. Let's find out for sure. 78 minus 3. And then I'm going to times that by 2/5. And that should equal 30. Huh? Let's see. 78 minus 3, 75. Times it by 2/5. I'll leave that in there. 2/5. Does that equal 30? I still don't know yet, man. Hold on. So I'm going to do some cross canceling. 5 goes into there. 1 and, let's see, 1 and 5 times. 15 times 2. Eureka! 30 equals 30. Okay, so that's about 5 more minutes of some more examples. Hopefully that helps you. Again, if you have got some questions, make sure you look over this, pause the video, check it out, see if you're getting it. And if you're still not getting it, come see me and I will definitely help you out.